There are two common questions that we always hear from our clients. If you're planning to build an app, you've probably asked this question before. Number one, how much does it cost? And number two, how long does it take? Want to know how long does it take to build the app you have in mind? Keep watching to find out more. As you might have read from the title of the video, today we're going to discuss how to roughly estimate a timeline for your app development project. Make sure you watch to the last seconds of this video because we are going to help one lucky audience to build the app for free! I'm just kidding. It's probably gonna be a disaster for us if we do that. But still, make sure to watch till the end of this video because we are planning to build something that will help you estimate your app development time, and we want to know whether you're interested in that. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Adrian Ching. I'm the founder and CEO of Upstack Studio, web and mobile app development agency based in Kuala Lumpur. I've answered the question in the title for countless times and I'm getting tired of it. That's why I've decided to create this video so that the video version of me can tell you my answer 24/7 without going crazy. Before we get down to the nitty-gritty, if you haven't already noticed, we are releasing content every single week, sharing with you our knowledge on mobile app development, web development, or product development in general. So if you have yet to subscribe to our channel, I want you to stop this video right now, go smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified when we release a new video.
Do it! Just do it!
I'm pretty sure you've come across two kinds of app on the App Store and Play Store. One that is unnecessarily complex, frustrating to use, or just plain broken. The other kind of apps wow you, apps that makes your life better, apps that you use every single day. Fast, beautiful, and intuitive. And most of the time, it does not crash and is mostly bug-free. Have you ever wondered how long does the second type of apps took to get to where they are today? Probably hundreds of thousands of, if not millions of hours. Companies like Facebook, Google, Grab, and many more have thousands of people working on their app, crafting the best experience for us, the users. Most people do not have that kind of resources, not even close. But that doesn't mean new apps should not be built. This just provides a right perspective on how you should approach building a quality first version for your app. Here are three factors that will affect app development time: scopes, skills and expertise, and development process. Okay, so now that the secret is out, go figure out how long does it take for your mobile app project to develop. Bye! Oh hey, you're still here! Okay, jokes aside, let's get into the details of how these factors affect our precious time. The scope of an app consists of the platforms that you want to target and its features. One of the very first questions that we ask our clients is which platforms are you targeting for your first version? The more platforms you want to support means the more time will be needed for design and development. Once we have that figured out, the bigger challenge here is scoping the feature themselves. In our experience at Upstack Studio, the typical situation is that too many features are requested for a version 1 application. That might not be a good thing because apps that are more focused do better. A long list of features will increase the timeline dramatically and subsequently the cost too. Our advice? Cut as much as you can upfront and look for that key feature or features that will help you find product market fit. Next, skills and expertise. Fun fact, we once worked on a project where the client told us that their app is 90% completed and they just need some extra help to improve on the app functionality and stability. However, we found out later that the app was developed by a developer with no previous experience of building a mobile application. So, a huge portion of the app was broken. We felt super satisfied with how we managed to help them get to the first version that they have always wanted within less than a month. But the lesson here is, always make sure you're getting the right people with the right skill sets and expertise to work on your project. UX design, UI design, backend development, front-end development are just some of the core skill sets that you will need in your team when it comes to building an application. That's why an app team that consists of each of these skills can can typically build this faster and better. Finally, the app development process. There are 4 main stages in the app development process, and each of these will take their own time. So make sure you take into account the time each of these phases will need when you're estimating your app development time. Stage 1, we have the requirements gathering phase. During this phase, the team will need to define and gather requirements. We help our clients differentiate the must-have features from the nice-to-have ones. The goal here is to prioritize the must-have features for version 1 while making sure the app corresponds to the business goal. Stage 2, the design phase. Once we have the requirements ready, a UI designer and a UX designer will come into the picture. The UI of the app will be designed to enhance the user experience. UI is important for any app to flourish in the market because users like visually appealing apps. Don't think that's true? Check this out. Would you use the app on the left or would you use the app on the right? Let us know in the comments below and comment left if you like the visually appealing apps. Stage 3, development. Here we have backend developers building the backend architecture like the app server, the database, and the API, while the front-end developers turn the design produced by our UI and UX team into actual app interface. Stage 4, and this is the last stage, which is testing. To know whether an app is working as we expect it to be, we'll need to do test runs. There's no such thing as a bug-free app. So make sure you allocate time to run alpha and beta testing to make sure you handle any bugs that will need to be fixed before you launch. One more bonus stage for you, launching. Make sure to also allocate time for this as well because you will need to submit your app for review on Play Store and App Store. Most companies do not take this into account and hence, most of the time, people miss their launch date due to this. Pro tip, submit your app for review at least 1 or 2 weeks before your launch. You might be asking, how long does each of these phases take provided that we have the right team with the right skill sets? For context, let's take Instagram as an example. Here is the breakdown of the features if we were to build a small, medium, and large Instagram. A small Instagram app will have simple registration and authentication, edit profile, search, view and follow other users, image feed, capture and upload photos, and like, comment and share photos. A medium Instagram app will have all the above with push notifications, adding location, tagging other users, capture and upload videos, and share to other social media. Meanwhile, the large Instagram app will have everything the medium app has, plus stories, chats, photo filters and editing, smart suggestions of contents, multiple accounts, and also multiple language support. For a small app, requirements gathering phase typically are done within a week or 2 to 3 weeks for a medium app, while a large app can take up to 3 to 4 weeks. As for design, a small app can take about 2 to 3 weeks to complete, medium app probably around 5 to 6 weeks, and large app around 9 to 10 weeks. Next, development, which usually takes the longest time due to the amount of effort and work needed. A small app typically can be done within 6 to 8 weeks, medium app probably around 12 to 16 weeks, and a large app 20 to 24 weeks. For testing, allocate 1 week for small app, 2 weeks for medium app, and 3 weeks for a large app. In a nutshell, a version 1 app takes about 4 to 6 months to build, usually. The main takeaway here, quality takes time. So make sure you allocate the right budget and time for your project. As mentioned earlier in the video, we are planning to build a free tool for our community to better estimate app development time. Simply because we love you. This will be helpful if you have an app project in mind and would love to roughly gauge how long would it take. There should be a survey that pops up right here, so go ahead and let us know if this will be helpful and if you should build it. While you're at it, don't forget to like this video and make sure to share it with someone that you think will benefit from this. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video.